Good morning and welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA. Guess what today is?
Our first day of work. On this episode on Proceeding Onward in America.
Our first day of working.
And they are fighting over me.
Chopping wood with this special wood chopper. And we help them get in. We make sure they have a whistle. We make sure they have a life vest. And we push them in the water.
Our first day of working at Silver Cove
RV resort.
RV resort. Yep. So we just woke up, literally. But we're here until middle of September. And we're going to show you some of the things that we do around here. I'm going to get ready. Because I don't think this lovely little mess is going to be appropriate. You excited, Jaggy?
No.
Whee!
I'm driving my wife to work again.
Yay! Love golf carts. It's our first day. He's ready to work.
My foot is on the pedal.
Woo!
Hit the ground. I got traffic in front of me.
Don't hit anybody.
I can't.
First day, it's a rainy day. Welcome to Washington. Beep beep. Here we are. Time to open up the store. Gotta unlock the ice machine. Today I'm going to show you what I have to do in the office to start up the day. Stay tuned. Start up the computer. The longest password in the world. Alright, gotta do the departure list to see who is departed. Print it off for housekeeping and for maintenance. Then we do the arrivals list of how many people come in. Should be pretty small. Now let's get the rest of the stuff going on in the store. Gotta grab our money. Open up our drawer. I'm not gonna show you where the money's at though, or any of that stuff. But gotta do your drawer. It's kind of simple. You gotta do. Sometimes you gotta check for things that people left. Some people left early. Don't forget to turn on the radio. Housekeeping copy. Housekeeping. I just want to let you know that cabin 98 and 96 have departed. Gotta open blinds, take down the signs. And we are now open. And sometimes you gotta check the thermostat. 76 is way too hot. These are for all our arrivals for today. And then what we will do is put their stuff right into our filing system. For housekeeping, I like to highlight to help them distinguish what's theirs. I also like to mark what one's a flip. That means there's somebody leaving today and somebody coming in today.
Well, today looks like a great day. It was raining this morning and now it's cleared up, but it might rain again. So it's kind of like off and on, but very busy. Now they're gonna teach me how to chop wood and split wood because they make their own firewood here and sell it. So let's get to see how that would be enacted. This is where our wood stash is. This is the wood we cut off of a tree that fell. And these are all rotten woods. And then these are our wood inventory that comes in on a big pickup truck, 8-foot bed. We wrap them up there. This is our splitter. And sometimes they don't come out so good. After we split the wood, when it comes, we bundle it, and then we store them in here. This is also where we keep mush, dirt, and rocks. And then we drive around in this as you just saw. On an average day, what I do is basically guest services. I clean up the sites, and then our main thing that we do is either bundle these woods or do the boat rentals.
Guest services, copy guest services.
And answer report cards like this. Go for guest services.
Single kayaks available.
I have 3 single kayaks available right now.
Copy, thank you.
And if they need us to deliver wood, we come here, pick up our bundled wood, deliver it to the sites, or ice, which is by the store, or boat rentals. And we help them get in, we make sure they have a whistle, we make sure they have a life vest, and we push them in the water. So, hold on. This is our rental place where we push them in and set them off. And we help them get in, we make sure they have a whistle, we make sure they have a life vest. And we push them in the water. See you at 6:30. Thank you. No problem.
Three bags of ice to 82, please.
Copy that. 3 bags to 82. Well, we forgot to record this, so we're gonna record this right now.
Yeah, we finished our first day.
It just became a habit. Get home, cook some dinner, take a shower, have a drink, watch TV. So I guess it became normal. And this was just the very first day of our work week. But it was pretty much interesting. I did do a recording of the neighborhood a little bit, but not too much of it. But I do have a recording of me chopping wood with this special wood chopper. Pretty much interesting. They just showed me around, showed me all the garbage duties, showed me the sites that I gotta check out. Then after that, we rented some boats today, so I had to get the boats in the water for the customers and chop some wood, wrap some wood, and basically just your average maintenance job.
I was in the front office all day long. Apparently I'm doing very well on the computers and learning very fast. And they are fighting over me right now. And they want to keep me at the front desk instead of putting me in housekeeping.
So, but it was a pretty good day. We're going to see how tomorrow goes and the rest of the week and so forth. So we're going to try to get you as many footages as possible. And we might give you a little how our day routine goes a little bit more deeper into it. So keep a lookout for that.
Yeah. And as we get better, we'll have more freedom so we can record more.
Yes. All right. Until next time.
Bye.
On the next episode, how well can an amphibian navigate through lily pads?
Get in there and under its lip. Get, see, under its lip, see.
I love you.
Look what is in our background.
I thought you were going to say backyard.